A very nice carrying case to carry with you in the vehicle if you're using it for a mobile connector instead of an at-home charger. Let's unzip it here and see what we have. Now I have taken some time and taken all the plastic shrink wrap off because you don't need to see me struggling with that. So we have the NEMA 1450 240 volt 50 amp outlet plug. We have the J1772 connector. Again, with the Tesla you would need the adapter, which we'll show you shortly. Because not only is this a mobile connector, this also works very well as a home connector. It comes with a wall bracket along with hardware, and of course the instructions on how to use it. As I mentioned, this works not only as a mobile connector, but also it has some very nice features for a home charger that some of the other mobile connectors don't have. It has delayed setting if you have different rates at different times of the day for your power consumption, and you're able to set the current anywhere, I believe, from 8 to 32 amps on this.